Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome on your computer. If you're using Chrome to browse the internet, it's highly recommended to always keep it up to date. Many people skip this or don't do it correctly, so I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure you're running the latest version. While you're on any page in Google Chrome, I'm just using google.com as an example. Look at the top right corner and click on the three dots you see there. From the drop-down, hover over Help, then click on About Google Chrome. This section will automatically check for updates. If there's a new version available, Chrome will start downloading and installing it automatically. Once the update is done, you'll see a check mark along with a relaunch button. Click Relaunch and Chrome will restart. After that, you should see the check mark again, but without the relaunch option. That means you're now on the latest version. To make sure you always stay up to date in the future, you can also enable automatic updates. Just click the arrow next to the updates section, enter your computer password, and Chrome will be set to update itself automatically. No more manual steps needed. If for some reason this process doesn't work, maybe you're on a very outdated version, simply go to google.com/Chrome, download the latest version, and reinstall Chrome manually. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy to follow tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.